Oh, you're dragging. Stop!
Just have mercy on us, please.
Okay.
If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. An officer with Florida Fish and Wildlife was on patrol when he conducted a resource inspection at a boat ramp.
How was a hunt?
It was good. Got 6 bluebills. Got our limits.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. Can I take a look at them real quick?
Yeah. Bluebells?
Yes, sir.
And then those are 5, and then we've got a wall mounter there. So.
Okay. Is that all the birds on the boat?
Yeah.
Okay. There's those ones back. I'll take a look at licenses and stuff.
Right.
You can go ahead and get the trailer if you
Okay.
want, and that way we can pull it out. We don't have to hang on to the boat and all that.
All right.
The bluebills are definitely here.
It's all we can find.
Yeah.
Like, what have we shot? Maybe 2 ringnecks all year?
Yeah, maybe 2.
Yeah.
Crazy.
The ringnecks like the freshwater more than the saltwater, so you'll find more of them.
We hunt apopka, we hunt emeralda.
And you haven't found the ringers there?
No, it's all bluebills. It's ridiculous.
Huh.
Here's my licenses.
Because those are areas that I would expect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then in years past, it's blue wings and ringnecks, and this year it's all bluebills.
Yeah. Paul, I appreciate it.
Yeah, and he's 14. So.
Okay, perfect. So you're exempt from everything. Congratulations.
Yeah. Oh, we were talking about it this morning.
You only got a few more years of that wonderfulness.
Have you seen anybody getting anything but bluebills?
Depends on where they are. There are a few lakes that they're getting some ringers and some black bellies. And,
Give her some more. Oh.
It's
not cooperating. Oh, it's not. Coming. Little more. Jeez, boy. Alright, you're good. Yeah, my dream is to get a redhead, but still haven't found one.
Start putting in for the refuge.
Yeah. We always do. We've never been.
Oh, you're dragging. Stop!
No!
Hold on! Tell me to cut the motor off.
Yeah, no.
Alright. Gonna help that old aluminum prop. Alright.
And do you have 3 life jackets on board?
Life jackets, Polly. Tim, you can just put that one in the back of the truck or something, so it's with me up.
Looks like there's 3 in there.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Alright, and then safety equipment here somewhere. Oh, that's tools. Alright. Good.
Cool.
And what else do you need?
That's good on the safety equipment. It's just a live well. What's in here?
Yeah.
You mind if I hop up real quick?
Yeah.
Any more birds?
Yeah, there's one. We crippled a group. That's it. We crippled a group. 2 swam off. We dropped 2. And that's all we didn't want to waste it. So. those two. We dropped too many before we knew what
Okay.
they were.
What's in this dry bag?
This?
Yeah.
I'll show you. So we've got that.
All your shells and
Yeah,
stuff.
shells, water.
Okay. That's fine.
You need to look in this one?
Yeah.
Shells, empty can, bag of snacks.
Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, and Paul, can I get your ID? Were these in there?
Oh, those are mine.
Don't want to lose them.
Should be all ejected in that one.
Yep.
All right. You need mine?
Whose shotgun's whose?
That's mine right there.
Okay. Do you have 3 shells for me?
3. Yes. Like that. Well, these are all in.
And you haven't altered it in any way since you were hunting?
No. I have not. This is his.
Okay. I'll hand that one back to you.
Need one of those tube things.
I have one. They're okay. Alright, and as far as unloading from the tube, we got a release here. We got some kind of release here.
Show them how to use that. I don't even know.
Which, so there's 2 in the tube and nothing in the chamber.
Yeah, you gotta go like, oh wait. Why is it doing that now? What?
There it is. Nope. Through 2 at a time. This is why I asked, because every gun is different.
Yeah, it was. There. Yeah, this one's kind of weird.
Oh. Let's throw that one back in the case. And that one's yours, Paul?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. You haven't altered it in any way since you were hunting?
We follow all laws as much as we can. It's just they dropped too many. Didn't want to just throw in bushes.
Interesting. That's funny, I let 2 out at the same time when I was unloading it.
Does that. They
Yeah.
fall right out. That gun's 30 years old.
Mm-hmm.
It's a long time. Need these?
Yes. Give me 1 second.
Alright, sorry.
I'm gonna go ahead and hop down. Where'd the mounter?
Yeah, where'd you put yours at? Your blue bill. It's in there?
You bring it and put it on my tailgate for me? It's right there.
There you go.
And where's your ID, hunting license, all that good stuff?
There's this.
Alright. Give me a minute. You can clean up the boat and do whatever you need to. Just don't go anywhere.
Alright, yep, I got you.
Hey, Junior, whose boat is it?
It's mine.
It's your boat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have the registration?
Yes, sir. I should.
How long have you owned it?
So it's my stepdad's. My
Okay.
brother owns the boat. He bought it for me. And then, yeah.
Alright, that's the expired one, but
Oh, it's not.
yeah, that one's good through September. Alright, good deal. Here's that. Alright, senior.
Yeah.
So, explain to me what happened, what was going on?
With the ducks?
Yeah.
A bunch came in and we shot, and we're usually not that good a shot, and too many fell.
Okay.
We did 2 crippled, winged 2. They started swimming off. and we didn't want to just waste them. And I mean, I promise you, man, we fucked up. I'm not gonna lie, but we're not criminals. We don't do this.
Yeah. I mean, you killed 8 of them in one flight?
No. We had a couple already. Like when we have 4 or 5, I don't remember.
No, we had 4, and then we had a group come in,
Like
and
12 or 15.
and we just started unloading, and 2 got winged, kind of went off. 2 dropped. I didn't want to leave the wing ones just because they couldn't fly. They kept trying to get up, and I went out there and finished both off. So
Yeah.
I didn't want to throw them in the bushes. Guilty conscience.
Right.
So I said, might as well.
Okay.
Because I know guys that throw them in the bushes, and I can't do it. I feel too bad.
Right.
So, yeah, that's...
All right. Well, give me a minute.
All right.
Fucked up.
Yeah.
Just have mercy on us, please.
Okay.
I've never gone through this.
Right.
I don't know what happens.
Okay. Well, I'll explain everything if you'll just wait over next to your truck.
All right.
All right, junior and senior. Go ahead and step over here. I'll explain everything to you. All right. So, junior, you told me there were no more ducks on the boat. Okay?
Yep.
So, that is considered interference with an FWC officer.
Okay.
Because you were mostly cooperative the whole other time, I'm writing you a warning for that. That is a criminal charge. You can go to jail for it. It's a first-degree misdemeanor. But there's that warning.
Yes, sir.
All right. I did issue you each 1 citation.
Yes, sir.
It is a criminal citation. You're going to have to go see a judge in Brevard County down in Vieira
Yes, sir.
and talk to him about what happened today. So the charge is a second-degree misdemeanor. The judge can do whatever he wants.
Yes, sir.
I'm just deferring to him. That's how this system works right now.
Yes, sir.
So I'll explain the citation to you. I'll need you to sign it. By signing, it's not an admission of guilt.
Okay.
It's saying you will show up and talk to the judge. If you don't show up, a warrant will be issued for you, and we'll come to your house and take you to jail. And then you have to go see the judge. All right. I apologize for the scroll. This is your copy.
Oh, all right.
I'm right at the end of my paper. And then, senior, that's your copy. All right. So the charge is over the bag limit on migratory birds. The court date right here at the bottom, where is it? The court date and time, probably not going to be right. Call this phone number in about a week once they're able to process the information, and they will give you, it's going to be in Vieira, so the address is good. But they're going to give you what judge it's in front of, the exact date and time, and then you'll show up to that and talk to them about what happened. Okay? So, like I explained earlier, it's not an admission of guilt by signing this.
Okay.
It's just saying you will take care of it by showing up to that court date.
All right.
And senior, there's your copy that I need signed. I need it signed right there. All right. Junior, if you want to go ahead and pick out 6 ducks, leave 2 for me, and you guys can keep 6 of them.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
All right. You guys have any other questions for me?
All right. So, if we ever cripple ducks again, and it turns out you're over the limit, like
So technically, crippling them is take.
Okay.
So it's your duck.
Okay.
So you need to use every effort to go, every reasonable effort,
Okay.
to go retrieve that duck.
Okay.
Now, if it gets up and flies, there's nothing you can do.
Yeah.
I understand that. But yeah, especially early in the morning, anywhere on the coast right here, on the river,
Yeah.
it's going to be bluebills,
Yeah.
with the exception of an occasional teal and an occasional mottled duck.
Yeah.
And so, shoot 2 ducks, go out, pick them up, make sure you ID them.
Yeah.
If it happens to be a redhead, if it happens to be a ringer, Well, now you can shoot another one of the same. Or,
Gotcha.
but yeah, that you're gonna find bluebills throughout the entire river right here. This is where they migrate to. This is where they stay all winter.
Yeah.
You go to pretty much anywhere else, and they don't have this many bluebills.
Okay.
So that's why the limit is the way it is. They end up flying this east coast and staying here all winter.
Okay.
If you go further south, you don't find as many. If you go further north, you don't find as many. If you go west, you don't find hardly as many. You find more redheads over there, but you're not going to find. You're going to find scaup right here.
Okay.
So, all right. So you can grab your ducks, and otherwise, I'm done with you guys. You can pack it up and head out. Or
You have our IDs?
you should need that, right?
I might need that. I'm glad I remembered.
You leaving these two?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you very
All right.
much.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Sorry to put you through the trouble.
Is this, I guess, a summons to appear in court? Is
Yes.
that what it's called?
Yes.
I have to report it to my work. I'm
No.
a teacher, and I'm going to get, man, probably lose my job.
Well, take care of it in front of the judge. And like I said, he has the leniency to do a lot with it.
In the end, both individuals were charged with violating a Florida code pertaining to migratory birds, a misdemeanor offense. Both pled no contest and their adjudication was withheld. They were each ordered to pay $125 in fines and fees, along with a $200 donation to the Fish and Wildlife Foundation of Florida. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.